Hi everybody, let's see what we are going to create today. It's going to look great. You see this slide presentation is looking great. Let's try to create that. At first we need to insert a new slide. In our new slide we have three texts that are colored black. We paste them here. And this text that color blue, we are going to change its color to something more familiar. We are going to use this topic, and then from the text option we are going to make it more shine. Then I'm going to use a circle and send it to back, and remember to align the circle center, middle, and color it white with the outline. Okay, it's good. Now we have the circle. We cut the circle. No, we didn't cut the circle. We copy this slide, and here we delete the circle and make the collage in the center with a huge font size. Okay, it's looking great. Now we copy this slide and increase it in size. It's important to not increase it completely, to have a little black here. And also, don't forget to copy this and paste it here and send it to back. Just simply color it no fill. And the outline, set them to no outline. And reduce it in size. Okay. Now set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. You see it's pretty amazing. Here we need to set the transition to morph, to affect to look better. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice